Hi everybody and welcome to the Trader's Edge. That's the name of our new show here midday on Wall Street. That's on TCM. So that's all about abbreviations today. So yeah, it hasn't been the most exciting trading day so far. The SPY now midday is exactly down 0.30, now not 0.35, so exactly where it was pretty much at the open. Now 0.41. Very low and narrow range price action. Let's take a look at the chart themselves, and then you'll understand. You can see this is the let's move to the 5-minute S&P bars, which we normally look at S&P bars at 5 minutes, and excluding the noise in the pre-market, take a look. We started at the open. We opened actually 589 pretty much. Now we are at 587.70. So we lost $1 versus the open. Maybe I wasn't quite right with 0.2%. Anyway, you can see the price action up, down, then up again, then down again. Very lackluster and boring, and most important than anything, and that's what makes this trading day tougher for those who are trading and not trading the right stocks, and there aren't that many right stocks today. And you can look at the daily chart. And if we look at the daily chart, this is where you observe the issue. Take a look at the mini dot here. We're trading at this point, I mean, things can change. A quarter or a third of yesterday's trading range, which wasn't that impressive from the get-go. So when we're dealing with no motivation, no triggers, no range, what's left? I mean, the only place to look for trades will be the momentum stocks, and there are a couple of those. We'll discuss them in a bit. First of all, let's start with the biggest mover today amongst the Nasdaq leadership, and that's definitely Palantir. I'm moving now back to the 2-minute chart. Off its highs, but beautiful price action. Okay, where is Palantir? Hold on a second. PLTR. Okay, here we are. I was surprised. Yeah, off the highs, but take a look at this 10 o'clock reversal that moved the stock from almost $10, from 123 to 130, 150. So not $10, but a beautiful escalatory move on increased volume. Maybe there was some intraday news. Anyway, not an easy trade. It's never an easy trade for Palantir. And this is after moving sideways for about 6-7 days doing nothing. There was actually a big sell-off day. They signal maybe a pullback. No pullback. The stock is aiming back at all-time highs. So that's probably the leading stock in the Nasdaq, maybe other than the CRW VIPO in terms of returns this year. So major move in Palantir, and should be watched. Actually, it's a very liquid stock, now trading 80 million shares. The spreads are very tight, so it's not a tough trade, let's face it. But that's definitely a stock that wasn't on many people watch list for today, unless there was an upgrade. I didn't pay attention to that, but the reason for that is that if you look at the daily chart, it's been doing nothing. Take a look, guys, at the daily chart. Take a look at this consolidation. This like 6-7 day consolidation that you think that on a red day it should move lower. Today it's not like it is a real big red day, but Palantir is obviously way stronger than the Nasdaq and way stronger than the market overall. So good show here for Palantir. Those who are following on our morning report, U was a long candidate, not U, but U, the symbol, Unity Software. And that's a stock that delivered a great move 2 days ago. Yesterday it rested, and today pretty much like Palantir. I don't know if they are from the same sector or what. Doesn't look like it, because Palantir is a winner this year, Unity not so much as I see the last 6 months. Anyway, beautiful reversal that started at 25 and was capped by 7 or 8% intraday move, ended above 27, near 27.80. So from 25 to near 28, yeah. 7-8% intraday, not from the lows, but from the reversal play. And again, moving over the VWAP at 25.20. I mean, there are a couple of good entries. The problem is that the leg down, I think, took some traders off, and then the reversal, and then the move over the VWAP were the big technical signals here. You can see this beautiful leg up, and it had a couple of round numbers. It moved all over them in a heartbeat. Now it's pulling back, but you know, whenever you see almost a $2 plus intraday move on a $20 stock, that's amazing. That's well, like I said before, almost 8% in the profits there from on the move itself. Now those who hold the position, it's up way higher. It was up at 1.16%. Now only 12. If you remember, guys, we talked about a stock that was actually a short candidate, SATS. Started down 20%. Hold on a second. SATS. Platform is a bit slow. Horrible daily chart. That's something this company has to do with satellites. Let me take a look again at the name. SATS. EchoStar Corporation. I think has to do with satellites and whatever. Doesn't matter to us. What matters is that the trend is despite the weakness here. And you can see, if you want to look at this trade, by the time I will post it, it's going to be too late. But take a look at this beautiful reversal play, hovering at 18.25, and this also looking at this a triangle break, triangle reversal here. So nice move, a potentially nice move, risking anywhere between 15 and 20 cents. So with the name is obviously to the highs of the day, despite, I have to say, despite this, let me bring it in, hold on a second, guys. Bring it in the horrible number, which is down, hold on, where is it? This, down 9%. I think it was down 18 or 20 at the open. Definitely reverse from the lows, but right now it looks like a long play, and we don't have a problem as day traders to buy a loser if it carries very little risk. Only if it carries a very little risk and the trend is positive for the stock. The market is not going to do anything for SATS no matter what. Other than that, let's take a look at the gainers losers list. Unity is here. Gap is still here. It started down 15 and now down 20, so lost 5% intraday. Newsmax is down, but it's not shortable. I don't see any important stock here that I can say, wow, Marvel. Yeah, we talked about Marvel. Started down 5 or 4. Now it's down 6 again. Not a big deal. On the positive side, other than you, no, I don't see. And PLTR, of course. Solar Edge up 8%. Not a big deal as well. Yeah, that's a move on news. Ulta, I forgot the name of the company. That's a beauty shop across chain across the US. I'm guessing amazing results, up 11% or 12% almost. Good show for ULTA, Ulta. And we have also HIMZ up. That's the ETF for HIMS, and that's a positive move. HIMS is up 7. The leverage ETF HIMZ up 14. I hope some of you know HIMS. It's the distributor of weight loss drugs here in the US. I don't remember the name of the drugs that they distribute, but it's not only the drug from NVO. I forgot the name of it, and NVO is up 2.6. So the stock HIMS is up 7, NVO up only 2.6. Obviously, they're doing something better here. So that's pretty much the roundup of winners and losers. Those who are still looking for a trade, that's the list that you should be focusing on the top 5, and assuming there are no spreads and other issues. Keep in mind that we're going to probably lose more momentum into the close of the week and the close of the month. So I will be cautious with any high risk trade into the close of the day. Let me see if I can bring in. Yes, I can. HIMS, and see if we still have 1 minute left in our show. Yeah, well, at the highs of the day, so before a pullback, now it's at 56 plus. Before a pullback to under 55, I don't think there is any reason to go ahead and trade it. And let's take a look for a split second at the gap. Is there any trade left there? Hold on a second. It's GAP. GAP. Ooh, very boring. Okay, nothing special. Nothing special here as well. So again, for big movers, either Palantir on a pullback, either HIMS on a pullback. Unity may still be a long play, and talking about a reversal play for a very weak stock, that's also or SATS, which is now at 1820 and prone for a reversal higher. Again, no, don't expect anything spectacular basically into the close. We'll see you guys after the close with our recap of the day and the week. Thanks for being with us. Please like and subscribe if possible. Thank you, and see you later.